Right, this is the westbound side of the new Lyndhurst Train Station, Lyndhurst, New Jersey. This replaced both the old Lyndhurst Station and the Kingsland Station on June 8th. It's nice they have a sign showing the train departures. Now this calling the left one, even though the right one's here. I don't know if that one doesn't work or what. Capacity is 3,000 pounds. This one has a loud fan. There's a big brother camera in there. Now, I don't think this elevator is working, even though it's right here. It appears to be working, because I'll show you. Send this one up. I think it's just going to call it back. Yeah, this one's not working. That is, up arrow is stuck on. I don't know if there's something with the door or what. Probably shouldn't do that. 1, 2, 3, 4. A 4-way Big Brother camera. I'll show you what I mean. These are 4 different cameras. Cut the. Oh. These are traction elevators. Forgot to mention that. Even though these are 2 floors. This is the new Lyndhurst Train Station. Like all the departure signs. Yeah, take this back down. The other elevator is not working on this side. I have no idea why. These are new elevators. This place opened 3 months ago. There it goes. That's it. Again, this one stuck open.